welcome back to another Sweet Life Design episode. Today I'm going to give you guys a tour of my home office, my craft room. My Cloffice is located in my master bedroom. Sit back and enjoy. On the top shelf is where I keep some of my party decor storage. In the marble boxes I picked up from Forever 21. They hold balloons, extra stickers, extra string. And then in those two rose gold containers, I hold like my emergency kit that has extra string, extra fishing line, tape, and zip ties in it in case I need it for parties. My pegboard I had cut down to size at Home Depot. I keep on there just some scissors, and then the two clipboards hold my cake invoices and my party invoices. Here's a quick hack for you all. This is a rental, so we didn't want any holes in the wall, so I used command hooks to attach the pegboard to the wall. Just a quick hack, not to destroy your rental walls. To the right of that is where I keep my Cricut mat. It is also on a command hook just so I can maintain the walls and not put any holes in it. So on the desk I have my Cricut heat press for when I'm feeling crafty and I want to design some t-shirts. Also, that lamp I said is from TJ Maxx. The push pins and the gold paper clips came from the Target dollar spot. And the two desks I got from Amazon. They're not the same, they look the same, but they were $69.99 a piece. Above here holds some more party decor and also some of my bigger purses that I don't wear that much. And in this container here, this is where I hold a lot of my clutches and my wallets. Below that I have my pegboards for my costume jewelry. It just looks cute just up there like artwork. My favorite thing in my whole craft room is my Cricut maker. I love my Cricut maker. I can do anything on it, and I think everyone should have one. This is where I keep all my clothes. I don't have any dresser drawers, so I keep most of my workout clothes and things like that in those bins. Over to the left is where I keep all my vinyl, my cardstock, my extra photo paper, ribbon, things like that are in those pink and marble containers. And also I keep my files and any extra paperwork. Over to the right side is where I actually keep all my clothes. I just had a major closet clean out. I got rid of so many things that I wasn't wearing just so I can go back and buy new stuff, but still I got rid of a lot of stuff that was unnecessary. Down here is my Michael cart that I keep extra files and supplies in. And here is my shoe caddy. I got this caddy from the Container Store. I got it online and I love it. It's so easy to open, to store your shoes, and it's easy to close as well. It keeps dust and spider webs and things like that off of my shoes. I love it. So in this corner I have projects that I'm actually working on, so I know it's kind of junky over there, but those are actual in-work projects. And hanging from my door I just have all my crossover bags and my crossbody bags that can't stand up in my closet. And yes, there is only one outlet in this room, so excuse all the cords and the mess. I have to route everything to that one outlet. I'm still looking for a solution as to how to contain all the cords in my small confined space. This concludes my Cloffice tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you picked up some good tips. Have a great day. Bye.